Hey, what is up guys? So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a lookalike audience in the ads manager, and without wasting any time, let us start with the video. So first of all, you have to open this meta ads dashboard, and from here we have to go to the left side section, and from the left side section you will find this option that's called audience, and it will redirect to the audience page, and we have to take a while, so let's just wait. In the audience section, you will find the multiple sections like multiple options to create a lookalike audience. So I will tell you all of them one by one. So this is the audience page, and you can see on the right hand side the audience that I have already created. But for now, we're going to create a lookalike audience from the scratch. So how we're going to do this? Like we can find this button that's called create audience. So we have to click here on this, and from here you will find this three options that's called custom audience, lookalike audience, and a third one that is save audience. So from here we have to choose the lookalike audience, and from here you will find some settings here that's called select your lookalike source, like create new source, and you will find some percentage here. So let me define this percentage here. Is basically about the what kind of it's basically define you the amount of lookalike audience you want. Like if you selected a source here, maybe you have uploaded a customer list in the meta ads manager, and you want to create a lookalike audience on basis of that, and you can select the what kind of similarity do you want in the lookalike audience. 1% means you want the tight lookalike audience, and if you go to the 3%, 4%, 5%, 6%, that means you are already accept to the a broader type of audience, basically for the lookalike audience. But for now we're gonna go about 1%, and we're going to create a new audience. So what we're going to do is basically we're going to create here, click on this option and create a new audience. So click on this custom segment, and from here you will find this two segments that's called your source, and this is a meta source. Your source is basically for them if you are running your ads on the website, and you have already connected your meta pixel with your ads manager, then you can use all of this option. And if you are running any kind of the WhatsApp ads, or the lead form ads, or basically some kind of awareness ads, then you can use these options that's called meta sources. In the meta sources, we're gonna use the video lookalike audience. If you wanna create a new lookalike audience on the basis of a video that people have watched through your ads, or some kind of awareness ad, and you want to create a lookalike audience, want to target same kind of people. And the second, we have the Instagram profile, basically people who have interacted with your Instagram profile, and you want to target same kind of people. Same goes with the lead form, that you have created some kind of lead form ads, and people who have opened your form, or submit your form, you want to create lookalike audience on the basis of that you can use this option. Same goes with the all of these options, and for now we're going to use this option that's called video. So I'm going to set this one and then click on the next. Now we have to choose the engagement types, what kind of engagement that video have. People who have already watched that video at least for the 50%, and this is the best kind of audience you can create. Okay, we're going to select this one. Then we have another options here, that is a select video. So we can choose a specific video to create a lookalike audience. So we have these videos, and I'm gonna use this one. Okay, you can also see this engagement ratio here, how many people have watched this video for at least 3 seconds. So I have selected this video. Now let's just click on this confirm button. Okay, audience retention. Okay, for the retention we're gonna use for the 19 days, and we have to name this audience as well. Video view 1%, and just name it as April. Okay, now just click on this button that's called create audience. Okay, we have successfully created a lookalike audience, and just click on return, and you can see we have created this audience, and it's currently populating the number of the audience that we have, and after few minutes, or maybe 1 to 2 hours, it will show you the numbers, what is the ratio of our audience, how many people you can target with this audience. And now, and after 2 to 3 hours, this audience will be ready to use in your campaigns. So I hope you find this video helpful and insightful. And if you find this video helpful, you can do consider to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.